Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku. Yes, it's a binary puzzle you can see in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 29th, 2020. We have here a binary puzzle, and this will be number 1817. All right, so let's get started. Let me explain something first. If we start, let me count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started now. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here O, there O. Double 1, here O, there O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have in this second column 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here and O, there O. Double 1, here and O, and there O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1. 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Let me think. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And then between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright, without comparing. Yes, I'm very, very pleased. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku. It will be a tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.